This is my mom. I introduced her this product, Fermax cream, because it's very good for me. So how do you feel after using this cream?
Yeah, actually before I use this cream, I have a lot of black spots and my pores are very deep. And actually between my nostril here, I have a lump that is very big and I'm having problem, and I'm planning to go for operation, but I don't like to go, I don't like to pursue because there will be a big mark there. So I just it's good that I tried this Fermex, and it's been 1 week that I'm using, and I noticed that it subsided a lot, and my face became fairer and my pores became smaller. Yeah.
So you think your skin look glowing?
Yeah, it became fairer and glowing.
You can feel the moist of your skin.
Yeah, and actually before using this Fermax, my both cheeks sag, you know,
Sagging.
Yes,
Yes.
sagging, and I have a very big eye bag. And
Now no more big eye bag.
no, it subsided.
Oh, okay.
Became smaller.
So you're really satisfied with this product?
Yeah, it's really amazing.
Yeah. You are from?
Philippines.
You are from Philippines.
How
Alright.
about your eyesight?
Yeah, my eyesight also improved. Actually, I use my eyeglasses with a power of 225. Actually, I cannot read my tablet, but after using this, it made me read again without glasses.
Oh, okay. Okay, thank you. You are Miss Anna, Mrs. Anna.
Yeah, Miss Anna from Manila, Philippines.
Manila.